Hi guys, my name is Dale Fulton and I'm a project manager here at S4, and today we're going to be showcasing one or two of our machines where we'll be assembling the fan and motor shrouds of the electronic cooling modules or radiators for a German automotive manufacturer. Let's dive into the first one. Behind me here we have the flap assembly station. This is a station whereby we manually fit and verify that all flaps have been inserted into the shroud of the radiators. So how the station works behind me is that we place the shroud into the machine and we manually fit all the different flaps, and a pneumatic check is conducted to verify that all flaps have been inserted. So in a little bit more detail, this station behind me, how it works: we will place the shroud within the station, we will fit all the flaps manually, and we have a pneumatic process which will actually open all the flaps simultaneously, and it verifies that the flaps function correctly. We have some sensors that do the verification for us, and finally we scan the part in, verify that the process is complete, send it off to the database. And yeah, that's how it works for this one. Let's head over to the next one and check that one out. What we have here is a fan shroud sub-assembly station for an electronic cooling module, which will be installed for a German automotive manufacturing company. So this station marries the fan and shroud sub-assemblies of the ECMs, and it does so utilizing a torque tool with some quality control for verification. So how does it work? This is a manual sub-assembly station, and we place our two components, which is our shroud and our fan, into the nesting. We have a torque tool which will torque the two components together, and it does so via a standard spec. We have some scanning equipment. It'll verify that the correct parts are placed and activate the torque tool. Once we've torqued the components to spec, we have a final scan of the assembly to verify the process for quality control, and we print a label and we stick it on, and out it goes to the assembly line.